Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how we can make a GIF from a video file using Python, and we will do this in just 4 lines of Python. So let's see how we can do that. So here I have a video file. So you can see this is the video file that we have got. It's a 10 seconds video. So let's convert this into a GIF. So first of all, click on the file option and then new project, just name it and then press enter. And here we need to import a package called pip install movie. So you just need to copy this text. I also give off this link in the description of this video. So after that you just need to go to your project and then click on terminal and paste it. Press enter. That will download the movie library, so just wait a few seconds. And after that you just need to import that library. So tap here from movie.editor, import video file clip, press enter. And now I will import file dialog from Kinter to ask the file name from the user. So tap from Kinter.file dialog, import all. And now let's come to the main code. So here I will take a file called video is equal to ask the file from user. So ask open file name, and then I will initialize the video file with our video file clip. So I will take a variable called clip is equal to a video file clip and pass the video file we got from the user. So tap video, and now finally we can write this video file as GIF. So I'm typing clip.write GIF, and then I will set the name of the GIF file. So I'm tap mygif.gif, and we can also set from a root or fps. So fps is equal to 10. And now let's run this code. So as you can see, it's asking for a video file. So I will just select this file, click on open, and that's converting the video file into a GIF. So just wait for a few seconds. Now our GIF is ready. Let's go to the folder, and here you can see my GIF file. So let's open it, and as you can see, our video is now converted into a GIF file. So that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.